Hey guys, just a quick video to give you a big thank you for something you have done for us. Last Saturday, the entire crew showed up and worked to clean up the shop and reorganize a bunch of things to get us maximize what little space we have here. And I wanted to let you know that you guys played a big part in that. Well, not in the cleanup, although we would have appreciated your help, but we did it all ourselves. What you did though, is when you hit the super thanks button under this video or any other video we do, or when you buy something from our website and you leave us a gratuity or a tip, all of that money gets put into basically a jar and we save it for something that's going to improve the shop and improve the way we do things here, something we wouldn't normally afford to do. So during cleanup day, once we had everything cleaned out of here, we added a little something. Now if you look around the shop here, this is the light that our guys worked in every day for, I don't know, 15, 20 years? At least I've been here 25 and it's always looked like this. In fact, usually darker. Thanks to your contributions, we took that money and we went ahead and made a small improvement. Hey Dan, hit the lights. We were able to purchase some really nice high mount LED lights that now has illuminated this bay completely, so our guys can really see what they're doing without having to wear a headlight all the time, and it has just changed this building completely. And that is all thanks to you. So just so you understand, when you do offer a super thanks or gratuity, these are the type of things we do with it, and we can't do it without your help. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. You have literally made our day brighter. Have a good one.